Oh, hello Year 4. I am just going to remind you how to do bus stop division if you can't remember, or maybe if you haven't done it before. So we're going to start off just looking at general division very quickly. So if you were to do 25 divided by 5, you would ask yourself how many 5s are in 25. And using your tables, you would know there are 5 5s in 25. And you can check by going 5 times 5 and give you the answer 25. So next one, how many 3s in 21? So if you count up in your 3 times tables, you will find that it's 7 lots of 3. Or you can ask yourself what times 3 makes 21, and the answer is 7. Last one, how many 11s in 33? So 33 divided by 11, and we know that there are 3 11s in 33, so the answer is 3. So we're going to use that same idea to do some work with some bigger numbers. So you can see here at the top of the page I've got 96 divided by 3, or how many 3s in 96. So we put the 96 under the bus shelter, if you like, and the 3 that we're dividing by on the outside. And then you do the same thing. You say to yourself, how many 3s in 9? And we know that there are 3 3s in 9. This is a really easy one. And then how many 3s in 6? There are 2 3s in 6. So the answer to 96 divided by 3 is 32. Okay, now the next one, 72 divided by 3. We go about it in the same way. We say, how many 3s in 7? Now there are 2 3s in 7. 2 3s are 6, aren't they? And then we have 1 left over. We put the one that's left over in front of the 2. So now we say, how many 3s in 12? Okay, and we know that the answer is 4. So the answer to 72 divided by 3 is 24. Okay, I'm just going to turn over the page. And we've got some calculations here that are dividing by 5. So nice and easy with the numbers, because a 5 times table is always an easy one to work with. Okay, so 65 divided by 5. So we're trying to work out how many 5s in 65. That's a slightly bigger number now. So we're going to say, how many 5s in 6? And that is 1 lot of 5 in 6. But you've got 1 left over. So that 1 comes forward in front of the 5. So now that says 15. So how many 5s in 15? And that is 3. So the answer to 65 divided by 5 is 13. There are 13 lots of 5 in 65. So the next one, slightly bigger again, how many 5s in 95, or 95 divided by 5? So we start off, we go, how many 5s in 9? And that is 1 lot of 5, but we've got 4 left over. So I'm going to put the 4 that we've got left over in front of the 5. And now that says 45. So how many 5s in 45? And you know from your tables that is 9. So there are 19 5s in 95. Okay, so last few. These last few are just slightly trickier. So I'm going to show you what happens if the first number, or the first digit, is smaller than the number that you're dividing by. So 175 divided by 5. So you say, how many 5s in 1? And there aren't any 5s, any groups of 5 in 1. So the answer is 0. But you can't ignore that one. You can cross it off if you like, but it has to come across. Okay, so now we can say, how many 5s in 17? Okay, so that's 3. 3 lots of 5 is 15, and then we've got 2 left over, which we are going to put in front of the 5. So now it's how many 5s in 25, which is 5. So the answer to 175 divided by 5 is 35. Okay, and the absolute last one, same thing's going to happen again. 235 divided by 5, we can see straight away that the first number we're looking at is smaller than 5. So we're going to say, how many 5s in 2? Well, there are None. So I'm going to cross that off. I'm going to go, there are no 5s in 2. But again, we can't just ignore that 2. We're going to bring it across and put it in front of the 3. How many 5s in 23? Well, that is 4. And then we've got 3 left over. And how many 5s in 35? Well, that is 7. So the answer is 47. Okay, I hope that helps. Thank you. Bye.